Here I have VIVO Y36, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So firstly, you should remove back cover. Not back cover, you should remove this case. So here you can find slot. Here it is. So you take this tool, put this tool inside the hole next to the slot, slightly press it, then it pops out. So here you should insert SD card, and here you have SIM card. So basically here you have SIM 1 and here you have SIM 2 slot. So let's insert SIM 1, and then you should put it back into device, just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And that's it. I should also prove you that SD card is detected, so let's go to files. And now you can see that SD card section appeared here. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.